In this short video, I'm going to show you how the Aurora automated trading system can help you become a more successful trader. More specifically, in this video, what I'm going to show you is how Aurora can save you both time and money. I'm also going to show you how it can bring consistency to your trading. It's also hassle-free. There's no optimizations. I'm also going to show you a couple techniques to turbocharge your wealth using this system. And my personal favorite, this just might be the first step to building your own personal hedge fund. In short, Aurora is a system for helping to bring trading success to your account. 10 years of historical success. Unlike other systems out there that may backtest well for a year or two, our systems have performed well for the past 10 years. Now, what does this mean to you? Well, what this means is a brighter future for you, because we believe we're not simply exploiting a market edge that may last a year or two. We're exploiting a long-term market edge that we believe is going to continue for many more years. In short, we think this can bring a lot of confidence to you in your trading. No optimization. Now this is a biggie. How many times have you purchased a trading system that you might have to optimize every few months or every few weeks? They're out there, and boy, is that time consuming. But Aurora is ready to trade right out of the box. There's no need to adjust any of the trading parameters. Of course they are available. You can tinker with them if you like, but it's certainly not needed. You just simply place it on a chart and let it trade. And this, my friends, is a big thumbs up for saving you a lot of time and hassle. Alright, it's time to turbocharge your wealth. What I'm about to tell you is a trading secret, so please don't tell anyone else. Let's keep this between you and me. Okay, you ready? I'm kidding. There's no trading secret. Anybody out there who's trying to tell you or sell you a trading secret is most likely not being very honest with you. However, there are techniques that are not utilized very much. Let's take a look at one of those. Here's an equity total of the Aurora trading system, and it makes around $20,000 trading one contract. But let's take that same system, same signals, same starting equity, and what? We produce an equity total that looks like this? Under $40,000? Just under it? How in the world can this be possible? Well, it's not a trading secret. It is dynamic position sizing, which is built in to the Aurora trading system. As your account grows, you intelligently add more contracts to each trade. That's all this means. And we do this with a percent risk model. This is a mathematical formula that helps you determine, or helps the system determine, how to add contracts. So instead of taking money out of your account, what you do is reinvest what you made, and the system intelligently adds contracts as your account grows. It's beyond the scope of this video to determine or to show you how the percent risk model works, but go out and Google it and you'll find all kinds of information. It's not a trading secret, and it's been around for a very long time, and it can work wonders for a trading account. There's also something we call throttle, which is a little bit different. Let me show you that. Now, Polaris has the ability to detect high probability setups that are more likely to be successful than your average setup. So, okay, Polaris, not only is it detecting setups, it's going to rank them. And these high probability setups are likely to hit their profit target a lot more consistently than your average setup. Now, during these times, you can tell the software to throttle your contracts that you trade. In short, you can tell the system, instead I'm going to trade not just one contract, let's trade two contracts when one of these setups appears. Now, these setups only appear once or twice a year. However, when they do occur, they're very likely to hit their profit target, and we call this throttling. The percent risk model, of course, is nothing new. You have access to this powerful position sizing model when you have our trading systems, and this can powerfully increase your equity growth as you see here. In short, this is going to help you build your wealth faster with our dynamic position sizing feature and our throttling feature. Okay, it's time to review an important concept that I like to call your own personal hedge fund. Why do I think this is so important? I think this is important because I believe it to be the key to your long-term trading success. 401k diversification. We're all familiar with that, right? We've all seen this pie chart where we take our chunk of cash and we spread it across different asset classes. Small cap, large cap, bond, international, and growth funds. The theory behind this is these asset classes will not behave the same way at the same time. Some will go up while others go down. The point being, or the goal here, is to smooth out your equity curve and reduce drawdown. This is an important concept that a lot of people seem to understand. But what happens when you have a newbie automated trader? Well, let's think about this. What do they go out and do? They go out and buy a Forex robot and believe that one trading system can make them a ton of money. They are diversified 100% into one system. All their hopes and dreams and account are tied up into one single system. There's no system 1, 2, 3, or 4. All their hope and faith is in one system. This is no diversification, and what does this lead to? Your account going up in flames. Let's apply this to system trading. System diversification. Here we have our pie chart again. However, what we're doing is we're diversifying our total account size across different trading systems, different time frames, and different instruments. What does this do? This creates your own hedge fund. This gives you all kinds of diversification, protection against drawdown, and smooths out that equity curve. It is your key to long-term success, and it should be your goal. Now I know it's easy when you go out there and look around and you see these killer ads about making $1 million this year if you would just buy this Forex robot and press this button, ka-ching, you make a ton of money. I wish it was that easy, but in the real world, look at what these hedge funds do. They're diversified across different systems and different time frames. This is what you need to do, not follow this fantasy of pushing a single button on a single system. Take your first step. Your goal should be to build an automated trading portfolio that is diversified across different markets, different time frames, and different trading methods, such as mean reversion and trend following. This should be your goal, and it can't be done within a few weeks. It's going to take time, more likely a few years, and this is the reality of it. You should slowly putting these blocks in place of different trading systems across different markets and time frames to build up a full portfolio that is your hedge fund. Of course, Aurora could be one of your first systems, or maybe one of many that you already have at this time. Aurora could be your first system in building your own personal hedge fund. Now, of course, you don't have to use our systems. We are going to be rolling out different systems as we fill different pieces of this puzzle together. However, you could use anyone's trading system. There's many out there that are really good. The point being here is, the key to your success is to build up this hedge fund type model. So think that way. Okay, let's go over some summary information. The Aurora system, of course, is going to save you both time and money. How's it going to do this? By not wasting your time optimizing. Optimizing is a very time-consuming option, and of course, time is money, so you're going to save a lot right there. You're also going to save money by not falling for those get-rich-quick scams. There's no trading system out there that you're going to buy where you're going to quit your job next week and become independently wealthy. Just isn't going to happen. Of course, it's going to bring consistency to your trading. Because it's an automated system, it's going to do this, and this is true across all automated systems. Turbocharge your wealth. Take advantage of throttle and the percent risk model to really boost those profits. Start building your own hedge fund by building a portfolio of different trading systems that trade different markets and different time frames. This is your key to long-term success. Not get-rich-quick schemes or becoming independently wealthy next week, but building your own hedge fund. Okay, if you decide to purchase the trading system, what else do you get with it? Of course, you're going to get the ELD, the TradeStation ELD, but you're also going to get lifetime upgrades to the software. You're going to get lifetime email support. You're also going to have a TradeStation 9.0 workspace. Load this and you're ready to trade. You're also going to get a full color user manual that explains all the inputs. It also details the complete trading logic. Everything is revealed within this manual. You're also going to have access to all the TradeStation historical performance reports. So, the next question is, how much is this going to cost? Well, as a computer programmer, in the past I've charged between $65 and $100 per hour, depending upon the type of work I'm doing. I've personally dedicated well over 100 hours in programming, testing, and refining the Aurora trading system. If we charge $65 per hour as a contractor to develop this system for you, well, that would be $6,500. But of course, I'm selling this to many people, so I'm not going to be charging this. Well, let's look at it a different way. How about we know that trading one contract, Aurora generates an average profit of about $170 per trade. Maybe I should charge a multiple of that. Let's say 10 times the average earnings. Now, what would that be? $1,700. That's much more reasonable for a system like this. However, I'm not going to charge that. What I've decided on is a measly $379 for the Aurora trading system. But I'm not even going to charge that. What I'm going to charge right now, because it is a new system, I'm only going to charge $179. So this special offer will only be available for a short time. So if you find this at all appealing, please take advantage of it soon, as I will be raising the price to $379. When will I be doing that? In the next few weeks. Oh, I forgot to mention this. Of course, we have a 30-day guarantee. If you purchase the system and decide that it's not for you, simply return it for a full money-back guarantee. I don't care what your excuse is. Maybe it doesn't fit in with your trading style. Maybe you don't like the risk profile. I don't care. Simply return it and we'll be happy to refund your money. In short, this is a no-risk offer to you guys. I feel confident in giving this to you because I'm confident in the Aurora trading system. Alright, so I guess that's it. That's the Aurora trading system. It trades the S&P Emini futures market, does so on a 5-minute chart, does so with no optimization, and I think this would be a great addition for a lot of system traders. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at sales@eminiedges.com. Check out the form below, the big orange button, where you can purchase the system at our discount price that will be changing in a few weeks. So I guess that's it. So thanks a lot, everyone, for spending some time with me. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, again, feel free to contact us. Until next time.